Namaste everyone. Asangoham Yoga welcomes you in Patanjali Yoga Sutra. So here I am inviting you everyone to do a question answers. So do you have any question, you can post on the chat box, and at the end of the session I am here live to chat your question and answers. We will have question answers at the end of the session. Namaste everyone. Asangoham Yoga welcomes you for Patanjali Yoga Sutra. Today we are going to do chapter number 1 and sutra number 4. That is Samadhi Padaha, sutra number 4. That is Vritti Sarupyam Itaratra and Vrittayaha Panchattayah Klista Aklista. So before we discuss sutra, let's invoke Rishi Patanjali by chanting invocation mantra. So let's close our eyes. योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचां मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोत्तं प्रवरं मुनीनां Patanjalim Pranjaliranatosmi. Athah yoganusashanam yogaschitta vritti nirodhaha tadadrastu swarupe अवस्थानं वृत्ति सारूप्यम् इतरत्र वृत्तयः पञ्चत्तयः क्लिष्टा अक्लिष्टाः. So far we have discussed discipline of yoga, vritti nirodha. That is, we discussed all the vrittis. They are in the chitta and different chitta bhumis, and how we can get nirodha state by overcoming all these vrittis. Today we are going to do vritti sarupyam itaratra. Now when we are talking about vritti, we already have discussed in the previous sutras that there are 5 types of vrittis, and now these vrittis are modulation of mind, or you can say actors in the platform of mind. So nirodha state happens only when there is no vrittis, and these nirodha state happens with the practice. So जब यह वृत्ति जो है प्रमाण, विपर्याय, विकल्प, निद्रा और स्मृति में जब मन नहीं होता, तब वो अपने दृष्टा स्वरूप में टिक जाता है. और जब तक हमारा मन इन वृत्तियों में उलझा हुआ है, तब तक हम दृष्टा स्वरूप का अनुभव नहीं कर सकते. The moment our mind is free from vrittis, that is the moment we are in our seer form. So, either our mind is engaged with vrittis or in the drishta swarup. सो जब हम प्रमाण में हमारा मन रहता है तो कई बार हम खुद प्रमाण ही बन जाते हैं, यानी कि किसी चीज के लिए उसका होना, उसका प्रमाण ढूंढना, तो यह है प्रमाण। ये चीज सही है या गलत, उसमें मन का जाना, यह है विपर्याय। जब कोई भी चीज ना होना और उसके बारे में सोचना, यह है विकल्प। जब निद्रा की अवस्था में चले जाना, वो है वृत्ति निद्रा। एंड जब यह चीज हो चुकी है और उसके बारे में सोचना, यह है स्मृति। और जब तक इन सारी चीजों में मन उलझा हुआ है, तब तक वह वृत्ति बन चुका है एंड इट्स नॉट इन द दृष्टा स्वरूप। और यह वृत्ति किस तरह से काम करती है हमारे मन के ऊपर? तो हमारे जीने की जो व्यवस्था है जीवन में, हमारे जो आसपास के संयोग हैं, उसके ऊपर ये वृत्ति निर्भर करती है। इस तरह से हमारा मन चलते रहता है। वृत्ति सारूप्यम इतरत्र, मतलब जब ये समझ विवेक से परे हो जाना कि मेरा मन मैं नहीं हूं, या तो मेरा चित्त मुझसे अलग है, ये जब समझ में आ जाए तब हम दृष्टा स्वरूप में टिक जाते हैं। At that time, the person is in seer form. When there is a discrimination, to be aware that this is my mind and this is not me. I am not the mind. When this comes, at that time you are not your modulation of mind. At that time you are in your own drashta swarup. Until the time your mind becomes that vritti, and that is vritti sarupyam itaratra. And now further Rishi explains about different types of vrittis and how they are. So they are of two types, klishta and aklishta. So klishta is problematic and aklishta is non-problematic. Again, these vrittis are also on the surface. See, always when we see water or in the ocean, when we see the surface, there are ripples or the waves. And till the time we see the waves, we are unable to see the bottom or the depth of the ocean. And the moment these ripples go away or the waves are not there, we are able to see the clear-cut surface of the ocean or the surface of that water level. Yeah? So these ripples or the waves are the vrittis. And without vritti, the mind is in nirodha state, or it is in the drashta swarup. So when we are talking about the surface, there is a bottom. And when we are talking about the vrittis, so there are underlying something which causes this vritti to pops up, right? So what are these causes and what are the reason to get these vrittis? So there are kleshas, underlying kleshas, and they are responsible for these vrittis. So if we give the example of kleshas, so what are these kleshas? So kleshas are merely an ignorance or the agyan, asmita, abhinivesh, rag, dvesh. These are panch kleshas. And because of this underlying kleshas, we are getting this vritti, और हमारा मन जो है वो प्रमाण, विपर्याय, विकल्प, स्मृति और निद्रा में जाते रहता है, because we are having this klesha. And these kleshas are again depend on your food habits. You know? What kind of a food you are having? So if you are having rajasic food, so that kind of a vrittis will pop up. That kind of a kleshas will come up. राग द्वेष में ज़्यादा जाएगा। अगर आप राजसिक खाना खाते हैं तो आपका मन भी राग द्वेष में ज़्यादा जाएगा, आपको गुस्सा ज़्यादा आएगा। और इस गुस्से के भाव से अगर कुछ वृत्तियां आ रही हैं तो वो किस तरह से होगी कि अंदर की आग की वजह से वो फ्रस्ट्रेशन बाहर दिखेगा, यानी कि ये करना है मुझे, ये जला देना है, ये करना है। इस तरह से क्रोध के भाव की वृत्तियां आने लगेगी। अगर आपके अंदर लोभ है या तो राग, ज्यादा से ज्यादा राग और द्वेष का मन है, तो उस तरह से वृत्ति आएगी कि मुझे ये पा लेना है, वो कर लेना है, आई वांट टू अचीव दिस, आई वांट टू डू दिस, that kind of a rajasic vritti pops up. And when you have a calm and meditative mind, and that kind of a food you had, so that kind of a vritti will, all sattva mind, sattvic vrittis will come up. No? So these kind of things we have to understand when we are going through klista and aklista vritti. So when we are talking about klista vritti, so they are problematic. So whenever we are caught up in this kleshas, so that kind of a klista vritti will come. And when we are having sattvic, calm, meditative mind, at that time aklista vritti, non-problematic vrittis, they will come. So here Rishi explains about panchataya vrittayah panchataya. Vrittis are of 5 types, and they are some are problematic and some are non-problematic, and they are klista and aklista vritti. That's it for today. We'll do in the next sutra, we will talk more about in details how these all vrittis individually act through. Namaste. Let's begin question and answer session. So you can put your questions in the live chat, and I'm here to answer your questions.